Okay, we have completed our half yearly portion and exam also over. Now, our annual portion, two chapters are there. One is your metals and non-metals, another one is air and its constituent. So, first chapter is your metals and non-metals. Okay, now in metals and non-metals, first we should know what do you mean by element. What do you mean by element? So we have read in half yearly part, element is a pure substance which cannot be further divided into simpler one. Okay, and this element is divided in four types. What are those? Four types are metal, non-metal, metalloid and noble gas. So four types of elements are there. So out of these four types, so here metal and non-metal in detail we will read, and little metalloid and little about noble gas we are going to read this one. So first let us see what do you mean by metal. So what is metal? Metal is metal. What is metal? Metal is an element which shows the properties of malleability, ductility, sonority, hard to touch, hard only right, high melting point, good conductor of heat and electricity, So if an element shows these properties, then it is known as metal. And another thing here, remember that metal always lose electron. Loses electron to form positive ion. So metal always loses the electron to form positive ion. So here new term we are going to see: malleability, ductility, sonority. What is the meaning of this? Malleability means beaten into thin sheet. So if you hammer the metal or if you hammer the element, if it is converted to thin sheet, then that is known as, that property is malleability. Similarly, ductility means you can take the wear from the element. Like that gold, we can take out the wear so that necklace can be made. Iron, we can take out the wear so that it is useful in many things. Okay? Aluminium, we can take out the wear. Copper, we can take out the wear so that it is used in our electrical appliances. So malleability beaten into thin sheet, ductility converted to thin wire. Sonority, if you hammer the metal, then a jingling sound will come. If you hammer the metal, jingling sound will come. That in school bell when you are hammering, that jingling sound is coming. That is what? Sonority. So these all are the properties of metal. Followed? Okay. Then another here, metal always loses electron to form positive ion. If I tell sodium is a metal, it will lose electron, forms what? Na plus. Calcium is a metal, it will lose electron, what it will form? Ca2 plus. Like that, metals will lose the electron and forms positive ion. So today this much, children. Next class again I will tell about non-metals. So Hari Om.